If you own a Garmin Instinct, Instinct 2, 2S, 2X, or the new Instinct 3, you know how important it is to keep your watch charged. But the original charger can be expensive, and it's easy to lose or damage. Today I'm reviewing a 2-pack replacement charger that promises to be a solid, budget-friendly option. Let's dive in. First off, compatibility. This charger works with a wide range of Garmin Instinct models, including the Instinct E40mm and 45mm, Instinct 3 MIP and AMOLED, and the Instinct 2, 2S, and 2X Solar. If you have any of these, this charger should fit perfectly. That's great for families with multiple Garmin watches, or if you upgrade your watch but keep the same charger. Build quality is impressive. The connector has an anti-slip design, so once you click it onto your watch, it stays put. No loose connections or accidental disconnects. The included USB cable is 3.3 feet long, which is plenty for most charging situations, whether you're plugging into a wall adapter, a computer, or a power bank. One of the standout features is the built-in voltage regulator, or PTC. This protects your watch from overcurrent when connected to a USB port on a PC or laptop. That's a common concern with cheap chargers, so you can charge safely without worrying about damaging your device. In my testing, the charging speed was consistent with the original charger. It took about the same time to top up my Instinct 2X from 20% to full. The connection is solid, and the pins align perfectly, so there's no frustration trying to get it to connect. Now let's talk about value. You get 2 chargers and 2 cables in this pack. That's a great deal, especially if you like to keep one charger at home and one at work, or if you're prone to losing things. It's also a smart backup to have. Of course, no product is perfect. The cable is a bit stiff, which might be a minor annoyance for some, but it's not a deal breaker. Also, while the packaging says it works with the Instinct 3, I didn't have one to test, but based on the design, it should fit. Just double check your specific model. One thing I really appreciate is the customer service. The seller promises a response within 24 hours if you have any issues. That gives me confidence in the purchase. Overall, this 2-pack charger is a solid investment for any Garmin Instinct owner. It's affordable, well-built, and reliable. If you need a replacement or just a backup, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more product reviews, and check the description for a link to get yours.